Espérate un segundo. Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we do carpet and tile cleaning. I'm gonna show you the machine that we are in the shop, and Jose is installing all the equipment. I upgraded the previous machine, and now I have this truck mount. So I'm gonna uploading more videos next week, and you can contact me at 407-572-4118. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching. I'm here in Infinity Machine Repairs. You can contact them to this engineer Jose Luis Dal Santo, 407-718-6417, here in Orlando, Florida. Thank you for watching.